pressure mounts on Mark Golding to reveal citizenship status. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a juicy piece of gossip to dive into. The buzz around town is all about the opposition leader Mark Golding and whether he's hiding a little secret about his citizenship. A well-known regional attorney is stirring the pot, claiming that Golding has a moral duty to come clean about whether he's a British citizen. The PNP president told a media conference earlier this week that it's his personal position that dual citizens be eligible to sit as MPs. But this comment from Mr. Golding at the same press conference has caused users of social media to demand that he clarify his own status as a citizen. Noted attorney Dr. Amir Crown says, given his recent statements, Golding must declare whether he holds both Jamaican and British citizenship. In a post on X, Dr. Crown said such a declaration is important despite Golding being quoted in a 2022 newspaper article as saying he would not renew his UK passport as it would not be appropriate. Under the Constitution, Jamaicans and Commonwealth citizens over the age of 21 are eligible to sit in the Jamaican Parliament. Southwest St. Catherine Northern Mariana Islands Everald Warmington says given his stance, Mark Golding has a duty to tell Jamaica if he is a dual citizen. Warmington was among 5 JLP MPs forced to revoke their U.S. citizenship, consequent upon court action taken by the PNP over the issue. Warmington says it's his information that Mark Golding acquired a Jamaican passport while he was an adult and was already a member of Parliament. So, what do you think? Is Mark Golding keeping secrets from us? Or is this all just a big fuss over nothing? Should politicians be more transparent about their citizenship status? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Even if this topic isn't your cup of tea, we promise to bring you all the latest gossip and news. See you next time.